Hi everyone, this is Roxana here, and we're gonna plan on my big planner at the month of April from the 19th to the 25th, and we are gonna use the sticker books Happy Memory Keeping, Colorful Boxes, Rainbow, and Color Story. I already have picked out all the stickers that I want to use, and I think I have enough stickers for the whole layout. Okay, we're gonna kickstart the week with Can't Stop, Won't Stop, so it gives us a kick, as I was saying, for the week ahead. And then I'm gonna use a box so I can write something I have that day. There. And I have these little hearts that I want I want them to separate like the quote from the box that I really liked. So that's what I'm doing here. Okay, now I'm gonna use the I love the weekend for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I place it very carefully because I don't like them crooked. And then I'm just gonna have the just keep going for Sunday because we need something to keep us motivated for the next week. Now I'm gonna use this box that says plans in between Tuesday and Wednesday for an appointment I have on Tuesday. And the same as the other box, I'm gonna use the hearts, but I'm gonna use them on the side. As you can see, I love quotes, so I got another one on the planner, and now I'm laying down the to-do sticker for the week that I always place on Thursday because there's the to-do list for the whole week, and I like it there, and it usually goes there. Now I like this one, and I have a plan for this sticker. As you can see, I'm gonna place it here, and I have two other stickers that I like that will keep me motivated. They are colorful stickers, like really lively colors, and I'm gonna let you see how I did the rest of the spread. Okay, now as you can see, I am done, and I really like how it turned out. I would appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up, would subscribe, and in the comment section is my Instagram, my Facebook, and you can visit me there and see the after the pan, how is it going, and the other layouts I do. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye bye.